Oh, good morning there. I'm feeding the street cat once again. Their little breakfast. I don't see the little kittens or the other black cat. But yeah, I am in quite a hurry. I'm going to come back here about an hour or two and we'll hopefully see the family again. So I just got a couple more seconds and yeah, it seems like the tabby's enjoying it. All right. Also got a Instagram opening up one. Going to drop a link to that. Hit a subscribe button so you can see more videos of me feeding these little alley cats. And yeah, that'll be it. See you in about an hour. Hit that subscribe button. See ya.